So we start off today's video with another IKEA DIY. So these are all the items that she's using for this project. Now to me it looks like she has some type of, it almost looks like a coaster, but it's got to be bigger than that. So she does do a measurement here. So if you wanted to do this same project, you would be able to follow along. So she painted the other jar portion matte black, painted the top black, drilled a hole into it. And it looks like she made a cute little aesthetic tissue box. I've actually been seeing similar DIY versions floating around TikTok, so this is definitely a trend right now. I think it's cute. I feel like this would be a nice little simple project to do. And obviously, like I said, it is aesthetic. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trendseeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have a DIY coffee table. So she's doing the outlining here in the wood. Yeah, definitely not a beginner-friendly project. Everyone's going with that like curvy shape for the tables. Looks like she's using piping for the legs. So this is going to be of a coffee table, which is generally shorter. Oh, this is like a really pretty pastel yellow shade that she used here. That is gorgeous. Definitely playing into that pastel trend. So for the next DIY, we have some paper mache. And then they have some steel bowls here. You can get these bowls from like pretty much anywhere. The base, it looks like she used some type of old tape container. And then she did a nice little pedestal bowl. Very cute. Now this is definitely one of the harder ways that you can recreate this. I've seen much easier techniques, but you know, sometimes you want to do something different. So here we have a DIY headboard? Oh, she's doing a whole bed frame here. Only thing about this DIY is obviously it's attached to the wall, so if you were to decide to move, or when she decides to move at some point, this is going to be very hard to take down. And what do you do, like, if a piece breaks? You just, like, take down the whole piece and then rebuild it, you know? It's cute, though. That came out amazing. But I'm wondering about the longevity aspect. Ooh, I like the lighting at the top, too. Making sure I'm doing it right. Well, she must be doing, like, a TikTok recreation. I think it's hard for anyone to paint without getting it on their fingers. Oh, she's making some kind of table here, I think. Or a shoe cupboard, maybe? Oh, for the records. Oh no, those are books. What am I talking about? Records. Oh, that is cute. Very cool idea. It's amazing to me what people come up with. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all these DIY reactions. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.